My name's Wayne Edwards and I'm the Regional Manager for Central Operations in the Southern Network. I've been with the business for 32 years and I started in 1990 as an apprentice service engineer, which was then British Gas, transitioning through my career into a team manager level, engineering manager and now regional manager. So there is an opportunity for apprentices to have lots of development within the gas industry and the gas network. So for me, working with East Sussex College is a really important relationship. This is about development of our apprentices, enabling the skills and the knowledge benefit to be given to those guys, but equally for us to feed into that apprenticeship scheme to make sure that we can support in that development of the people, particularly through their path or career in the gas industry. So we're looking for enthusiastic individuals that can come and join our business and our apprenticeship scheme to enable people to develop skills, knowledge, an excellent programme of learning and longevity of a career in the gas industry. So all of our apprentices that came into the intake in 2022 have really started to get a good foundation of knowledge within the gas industry and build upon some of the learning that they've already undertaken through the joint working relationship with East Sussex College and their operational colleagues. Pleased to say that everyone's settled really well and looking forward to seeing them develop further in the rest of their apprenticeship.